Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable multi-currency in Manager.io. To begin, open Manager.io and load the business file where you want to use multiple currencies. Give the app a moment to open fully so all menus are available. Having your organization's file ready ensures that any currency you add becomes available right away for transactions in that specific business. Once you're in, look for the Settings area. Depending on your version, settings might appear in the left navigation panel or across the top. If you have a lot of modules turned on, scroll if needed so you can clearly see the full list. Settings is where global options live, including features that affect how amounts are displayed and processed across your business. Click on Settings to open it. Inside, you'll see a range of configuration pages. Here, you'll be working with currencies. This is the section that controls which currencies are recognized by your business file and prepares Manager.io to handle foreign amounts, conversions, and reporting. Now locate currencies and click it. This takes you to the currency management screen. You should see options related to your base currency, along with tools to add more. If you're enabling multi-currency for the first time, this is where you'll introduce the foreign currencies you plan to use for customers, suppliers, bank accounts, or invoices. Next, click on Foreign Currency to start the setup. You'll be creating an entry so Manager.io knows which additional currency to allow in your transactions. Choose New Foreign Currency. This opens the form where you'll define the currency details. In the Code field, enter the standard three-letter currency code, also known as the ISO 4217 code. For example, USD for United States dollar, EUR for euro, or JPY for Japanese yen. Using the correct code ensures consistency across reports and exchange rate updates. In the Name field, enter the currency's name as you want it to appear in your lists. A clear, recognizable name helps when your team selects currencies on invoices or bills, especially if you work with several at once. Once you've filled in the code and name, click Create. Manager.io will save the entry and return you to the currency list, where you should now see your new foreign currency alongside the base currency. From here, the currency becomes selectable in relevant parts of the application, allowing you to issue invoices, record expenses, or maintain accounts in that currency. If your workflow depends on exchange rates, note that Manager.io can use rates you manage separately or available feeds, depending on your setup. That's it. Multi-currency is now enabled and ready to support your international transactions.